Hello Yellow class, welcome back. I hope you've had a really good Easter holiday. We're back in term time now, so I will be posting each day some videos, and hopefully you've all picked up your packs and you had a chance to maybe look through those and you've got some ideas. So my videos will link into the work that you've got to do over the next 2 weeks. So you've got 2 weeks worth of things in your pack to do. On your packs, I have tried to make it a little bit clearer for you. So at the top of each of the things, you will have the day of the week, and it will also say which week it's for. So this week is week 1, so the things for today will say week 1, Monday. So just trying to make it a little bit clearer for you so that you can have a go at finding those. Okay, so we're going to start off today with some phonics. In your phonics today, So in your phonics, you need to have a look in your pack for a sheet like this. It's photocopied onto some card. We are thinking about the ul sound at the end of words, and today we are thinking about the ul made by the letter al and e together. So we're looking at it coming at the end of words. With the words on the card, if you cut those out and make them into a pairs game, you can have a go at playing pairs. You can play that with a member of your family. So you cut them up, you put them face down, and you have a little go at playing some pairs games with that. So you need Monday, week 1. We are going to have a go at writing some ul words. So I'm going to say some words, then I will write them up, and I'd like you to have a go. You can write them in your book. So you might want to check through, you might want to pause me now whilst you go to get your book, or you might want to get somebody to say those words to you later. Right, first word I'd like you to write is the word little. So think about the sounds in that word and how you can write it. Next word we're going to write is the word table. Then we're going to write the word middle, and think about that sound in the middle of the word middle and what happens. And we're going to have a go at writing the word beetle. So again, think about the sounds in that word of beetle. Right, so the first word that we wrote was little, which is one of our words that we should be learning. So little, we start off with that it. Then we've got a double t, and then we've got that on the end. It. Okay. Then we were writing the word table. And then you've got that on the end. Then we were writing the word middle. Now with the word middle, when we think about writing that, what happens in the middle of the word middle? Yeah, we've got a double D in the middle. So we've got middle, and then the last word that we wrote was beetle. So have a check about how you spout those words. We will be using your books to write some words each day, so you might want to get your books ready so you can have a go at that. You might want to pause me and use your videos how you want. Next job we're going to be doing today is our guided reading work, and hopefully you've had a chance to have a look at that Whiffy Wilson video. The story we're thinking about today is Whiffy Wilson, the wolf who wouldn't go to school, and we're thinking about the word of the week, which is the word earned. And in your packs you've got a sheet that looks like this. First part, that's always a good place to start, is just by practicing writing that letter E. So E starts on the line, loops round and comes down. So you've got the letter E and it loops round, okay? What type of word is the word earned? Now when we're thinking about the word earned, it's got that ED ending on the end, so we're thinking about it being a verb. So a verb is a kind of word which tells us something that we can do. Words with the root word earn, so if we're looking at the word earned, which is the word that we started with today, you have got the root word earn, and then you have got that ed suffix on the end. I'm not doing very well with my pens today. Let's have a look at these. Right, so we can change that ED for an ER. Oh, there's a better pen. So we've got that root word earn, and we've got that suffix on the end for earner. We've got earns. She earns a lot of money, and you can add that S suffix on the end. Next word, we've actually got two suffixes on the end here. We've got the word earnestly, so you've got earn, then you've got est, and then you've got ly, and that actually changes the whole meaning of that word when you write earnestly. Earning, so if we change that from the ED, so I earned my money, I am earning my money. We've got the root word earn, and then we've got that ing on the end, we've got that ing. Earnest, which comes from this word here, so we've got the earn, and then we've just got that est suffix on the end, and earnings. So on here, we can add another suffix, we can add that s to write the word earnings, okay? So they go up here. Words that rhyme with earn, there are lots of words. You need to listen out for that earn at the end, like burn, fern, turn. They're not spelt the same, but they all rhyme. So think of some words. Think about what earned, as in with the ed on the end. What does it mean? To earn something means to get something in payment for doing something. And there is a picture on our website of our Word of the Week display, and you can use the ideas from there to help you. Can you use the word earned in a sentence? So have a go at writing some sentences down the bottom there. Right, our next session today, we are going to go on to our maths, and we are going to start with some counting. Are we ready? Let's get a bit active today with our counting. We're going to start with some clapping. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Going to change to a click now. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We're going to change again now. We're going to tap our shoulders. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We'll pat our heads this time. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Tap our elbows this time. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We can go beyond 100, but we won't today. And we are going to be counting up in fives. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And counting in tens. We're pretty good at this. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And counting in twos, let's just remind ourselves of the pattern at the end of the numbers. So when we count in twos, if we start from 0, we are saying what kind of numbers? Well done. We are saying the even numbers, and we need to remember this pattern. Are we ready? So we're starting from 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. And again, you can carry on past 100 with all of those. Keep practicing, and you can practice counting whenever you want. Now today, we are thinking about addition. So addition is shown by this sign here. So addition is when we are putting numbers together. So we are adding numbers together to make a bigger number. Okay, today we are just going to be adding 2 numbers together, but you can add together as many numbers as you want. And when we're adding, we need to remember that our number and our answer is always going to be a bigger number. So today we're just adding 2 numbers together, and we need to remember that this answer is always bigger. Now in year 2, when we're adding up, we need to think about the most efficient way that we can add up. Now that we're adding slightly bigger numbers, we need to think about how we're going to be doing that. We shouldn't be drawing out sets of ones objects. We're thinking about tens and ones and how we can add together. So if I was doing 23 add 34, because today we're not going to be crossing that tens boundary, maybe I would draw those out in my Dean. So I might draw 23, I might draw 34, and then I might add them all together. I might use a number